Today we will share a few remarks, including where we can get some helpful information and assistance. If you need to talk, we'll recognize a moment of silence, and then we'll gather, take a group photo, and we'll send that to Pearl Harbor for those who would like to participate. So now I'd like to turn it over to Dwight Otis, Deputy Production Resource Officer.
Wow, what a turnout. Thanks for everybody turning out in such a quick turnaround. To look out to this stage and see all you gathered here is going to send a powerful message to our family over at Pearl, our Ohana. You are incredible for coming out here today. This event was really sparked by a couple people from our workforce who sent a message up to say, hey, how can we show our unity, compassion, and respect for the people who serve just like us in our Navy? Unfortunately, we wish this gathering was under better circumstances, but it's important at times like this that we do get together so we can connect, so we know what help is available for each other, that we look out for each other. There's a lot of people hurting right now. I think it's important for us to share our thoughts and prayers with them, to let them know that we're there for them with our hearts and our minds. So Mr. Rick Tift, our Executive Director, will be going over that information with you. If you need someone to talk to or what additional resources you need, whatever may be available for you today. But first, I'd like to have everybody give us a moment of silence. If you would take your hats off. And everybody just take a moment to think good thoughts for our friends who serve. Thank you. Rick, I'll turn it over to you.
As Dwight said, my name is Rick Tift, and it's sad that we're gathered here today under these circumstances and for this reason. But thank you to all of you for coming to pay tribute to our Pearl Harbor family, just as our Ohana in Hawaii is suffering. I know many of us may be suffering too, and I want to make sure everyone knows about the resources we have available here at the shipyard to help you process this tragedy. I would also like to share that we have members of our shipyard family, TDY, at both Pearl and Pensacola, who will need our support upon their return. If you're hurting, there is help available. You can reach out through your supervisor or chain of command, or you can take advantage of some of the services that we have arranged. First, we have a Civilian Employee Assistance Program counselor available in the branch clinic right beside us here in Building 940, right next door, on the first floor today from 11 to 3:30. If you need guidance and counseling, or want to learn more about other resources, someone will be in the lobby to guide you. There are also members of our live employee resource group available at 2 tables today. One here next to the branch clinic, and another located just outside the entrance to Building 850A, and they will have information and resources for you. If you don't feel comfortable talking in person and would rather seek help on your own, you can call the Department of the Navy Civilian Employee Assistance Program. They can provide assistance over the phone. The number and more information is available on the command's SharePoint page. This is a difficult time for us all. I urge you not to feel ashamed or embarrassed if you need help or want to talk. We suffered a great loss this week, and your shipyard family is here for all of you. Thank you, and thank you so very much for being here this morning.